St. Thomas Aquinas. So we have 2 schools from Kumasi and 1 from Accra. So you are all welcome again. I wish you the best as we enter the contest. So this round, I'm starting with St. Thomas Aquinas. So we start with round 1. There's a preamble to all schools. Give the functions of the following structures of the mammalian heart. Give the functions of the following structures of the mammalian heart. St. Thomas Aquinas. Atrioventricular valves. Yes, Ephraim.
So the atrioventricular valves prevents the backflow of blood from the arteries, from the arteries or to the ventricles, and ensures a unidirectional flow of blood in the heart.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Prempeh College. Pulmonary trunk. Yes, please.
The pulmonary trunk are the system of blood vessels through which blood enters into the lungs and also exits the lungs into the heart.
No, please. So it brings deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Asanteman. Well, you mentioned lungs, so it's your major question. I'll give you 1 out of 3. Asanteman. Semi-lunar valves. Yes, Gottfried.
The semilunar valves prevent backflow of blood after they have been pumped by the ventricles. So they prevent the backflow of blood which have been pumped through the aorta as well as the pulmonary veins back into the ventricles.
That is correct. A preamble to all schools. Find a Cartesian equation of the curve given by the pair of equations. St. Thomas Aquinas. X equals 2t. Y equals 2 over t. Yes, Ephraim.
Y equals 4 over x.
That is correct. Prempeh College. X equals 2t squared. Y equals 2t. Yes, Trumesi.
We have the equation y squared equals 2x.
That is correct. At the end of the first round, St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School had 8 points. Asanteman Senior High School had 11 points, and Prempeh College had 14 points. Round 2. This round is also called the speed race. That means your speed or how fast you are counts. The questions are coming to all 3 schools at the same time. Each school has the opportunity at answering the question as soon as it comes. All our bells are working perfectly. Let us enter our second round. And we start now. Thank you. Find the length of the altitude of a triangle if its base is of length 8 centimeters and its area is equal to area of a square of diagonal of length 4 centimeters. Yes, Prempeh College.
The altitude is root 2 over 2 centimeters.
No. St. Thomas Aquinas.
4 centimeters.
No, please. Asantiman, are you trying? It's 2 centimeters. Two events, A and B, are disjoint with P, A equals 1 over 3, and P, A union B equals 3 over 4. Yes, Asantiman.
5 and 4. 5 and 4.
We have 5 on 12.
That is correct. Even though I did not finish my question. Light propagates from air into glass of refractive index 1.7 at an angle of incidence of 30 degrees. Find the angle of refraction. Yes, Prempeh College.
The angle of refraction is
who
sine
ranks
inverse of
St. Thomas Aquinas, give me your answer.
Angle of refraction is equal to the sine inverse of 3.4.
No, please. Asantiman, do you ring? It is 17 degrees. A single turn square loop of side 5.0 meters is embedded in a uniform magnetic field whose flux density is changing steadily at 4.0 Tesla per second. Find the angle between the normal to the loop and the direction of the field at which the EMF induced in the loop is negative 50 volts. Yes, Prempeh College.
60 degrees.
That's correct. The scalar potential on the surface of a conducting sphere of radius 2.5 meters is 1,500 volts. What is the magnitude of the electric field? Yes, Prempeh College.
6.0 times 10 exponent 2 volts per meter.
That is correct. So at the end of the second round, St. Thomas Aquinas had 6 points. Asanteman Senior High School had 16 points, and Prempeh College 22 points. Round 3, problem of the day. The problem of the day, you are not supposed to turn over your sheets yet. The problem of the day is a complex question that involves the use of multiple concepts of family and is given to all schools at the same time. You have 4 minutes within which to give your solution on the screen. After that, I would assess your answer or your solution And then I'll present what was suggested by our consultant. Then I award the points. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. But at stake in this round is the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ star. So our problem of the day was a math question, and they were to expand an expression in ascending powers of x up to x to the power 3, find the coefficients of expressions in x and x squared. So they are to find the values of k and a, given that k is greater than O and a is less than k is greater than 0 and a is less than 0. Then they were to find the coefficient of x cubed in the expansion in ascending powers of x. So these are their solutions on the board. Let's see what was suggested by our consultant. So for the A part, when they expand, they will get 1 plus 8 kx plus 28 k squared x squared plus 56 k cubed x cubed. That will earn them 3 points. Then B, finding the coefficients, they have to equate the coefficients, so then they find the k and a. So if they are able to find 1 plus the expression a plus 8k x plus 28k squared plus ak, the expression 28k squared plus 8ak x squared plus the expression 56k cubed plus 28k squared a x cubed plus, and so on and so forth. They get 3 points for that. Then for x, then they equate the coefficients, and they get k to be 1, since k is greater than 0, and a equals -8. They get 2 points for that. Then for the term in x cubed, the coefficient will be -168. They get 2 points for that. So let's see. Round 4. In this round, each school is going to get a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you are right, you earn 2 points. When you are wrong, you lose a point. You may decide not to answer at all, in which case another school may answer correctly for the full 2 points, or lose a point when they are wrong. Please, when you are ready to pick up another school statement, you ring the bell to alert me. Prempeh, your bell. Asanteman. St. Thomas Aquinas. Thank you very much. So we continue with the 4th round. All the best to you. This time I'm starting with Prempeh College. The molecule PCl4 is likely to possess a tetrahedral shape. True or false?
Tetrahedral. PCl4.
Yes, Ernest.
True.
That is correct. Asanteman. The expected hybrid orbitals for the central atom in SiF6, so SiF6 minus, will be dsp3. Yes, Randy.
False.
That is correct. St. Thomas Aquinas. The expected hybrid orbitals for the central atom of SCl2 are sp. Yes, please.
False.
That is correct. Prempeh College. In hypodial germination, the epicotyl grows first and the plumule is pushed out of the soil, while cotyledons and all other parts remain under the soil. True or false? Yes, Ernest?
True.
That is correct. Asante man. In epigeial germination, the epicotyl grows first and pushes the cotyledons and other parts of the seed out of the soil. Yes, Randy.
True.
No, please. It's not the epicotyl. St. Thomas Aquinas. All dicotyledonous seeds go through epigeial germination. Yes. That is correct.
Go there.
A preamble to all schools. Given that x is greater than 0 but less than pi, Prempeh College, if cos x equals 1 over 2, then sin x equals root 3 over 2. NS, go ahead.
True. True.
That is correct. Asante man. If cos x equals negative root 3 over 2, then sin x equals negative 1 over 2. Yes, please, Randy.
False.
That is correct. St. Thomas Aquinas. If tan x equals 1, then sin x equals 1 over root 2. Yes, please, Ephraim.
True.
That is correct. Prempeh College. The longest wavelength in the Lyman series of hydrogen spectral lines lies entirely in the infrared. Ernest.
False.
That is correct. Asante man. The Lyman series of hydrogen spectral lines arise from transitions involving the first excited state of the hydrogen atom. Yes, Randy.
True.
No, please. It's a false statement. St. Thomas Aquinas. Wavelengths in the Lyman series of hydrogen spectral lines are longer than those in the Paschen series. Yes, Nana Kwame.
False.
That is correct. Thomas Senior High School had 23 points. St. Thomas Aquinas had 25 points. And Prempeh College had 41 points. Gentlemen, now all the hard work is done. Let's relax. It's time for our riddles, round 5. And once you hear riddles, that should bring to mind the Gaul Riddle Bonanza, which seeks to reward a school that answers either 3 or 4 riddles correctly. At this stage, 3 correct riddles are worth 1,200 Ghana cedis, and 4 correct riddles are worth 1,600 Ghana cedis to the team. So in this round, we have 4 riddles, just 4. I'm going to give you clues to help you solve the riddle. If you're able to solve the riddle on the first clue, you earn 5 points. On the second clue, you earn 4 points. From the third to the very last clue, no matter the number of clues that are available, you earn 3 points. In this round alone, if you answer and if the first school answers and they are wrong, the second school can answer. When they also are wrong, the third school may answer without any penalty. Now, when you answer and you are wrong, you sit out of competition for that particular riddle. If there is any after that, then you join us and we continue from there. So, let's start with our riddles. I am a spectral range in the electromagnetic spectrum. My name suggests extremity, but I'm neither the greatest nor the least as far as spectral bands are concerned. I gained notoriety in the days leading to the birth of modern physics, when the word catastrophe came. Yes, St. Thomas Aquinas.
Ultraviolent.
That is correct. So they earn 3 points. I'm a three-dimensional figure. I'm formed of faces. The faces intersect in edges. The edges intersect in points called vertices. In my regular, yes, St. Thomas Aquinas.
Polyhedron.
That is correct. So 3 points again. We may be persons, companies, or countries that make, grow, or supply goods or commodities for sale. Yes, Prempeh College.
Producers.
That is correct. They earn 5 points. They gave the answer on the first clue. I am a chemical. I'm not characterized with any particular physical state. I usually participate in chemical reactions with my eyes wide open. I do not allow myself to be overwhelmed or consumed. Yes, Prempeh College.
Catalyst.
That is correct. 3 points. End of the contest. These are the scores. Asanteman Senior High School had 23 points. St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School had 31 points. And Prempeh College had 49 points. Hard luck to you at Asanteman Senior High School and St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School. Unfortunately, your journey has ended in this year's competition. But I pray you come back next year better. All the best to you in your future endeavors. Now, congratulations to you, Prempeh College. You have won the contest. And so you have qualified to enter the next stage of competition, which is the quarterfinals. I wish you the best